All right, I'm gonna show you how to set up your Q3 with all of our gear, from the base plate to the MagFlip hood to the thumb grip, and finally the soft shutter. It's all pretty easy and self-explanatory, but I'll run you through it real quick here. So the base plate just slides over the Q3 just like this, and then you have one screw at the bottom that you have to screw down, tighten that thing down, and this thing's ready to go. Once it's on there, you've got the tripod thread at the bottom there, and then you also have the tripod mount on the side here for portrait mode, and then you've got the bottom one for landscape. Then to put the MagFlip hood on, pretty simple. There's some outer threads on the lens, whether it's the 28 or the 43. I'm not sure if there was a lens cover on it. We probably misplaced or lost ours, but it exposes the threads on the outside here. It's not the filter threads on the inside. MagFlip hood's just gonna thread right onto those outside filters like so. Line up there and you're good to go. To put your filter on, little pro tip, throw it into macro mode. It's gonna push the lens up, make it a little bit easier to thread that filter on. Then you're good to go. All right, next up, let's put the thumb grip on. Just gonna slide straight into the cold shoe there. You'll notice there's a set screw inside your package, tiny little Allen key here. You're gonna thread that in, and that's just gonna lock it down and make sure this thing doesn't slip around at all. Fully set up, good to go. Last up, if you got the soft shutter, this one's also easy. It just threads right into the top of your shutter button there. Don't over tighten this, just very light finger strength until it kicks over the on off switch. And that's like a good indicator that don't thread it on anymore, you're good to go. And after that, that's your little setup. Really sick, really easy to grab, shoot all day with. Let me know if you have any questions. See you on the next one.